Hello guys, so I want to show you how you can sell your ATH gas fee. The gas fee you bought from Memfi right now is useless. All right, so what are you going to do? You are going to sell it and get your money back, as simple as that. So what do you need to do is to follow the step of this video so that you can see how I'm going to make the transaction. All right, so that at least if you want to sell, you can contact me. I'll drop my wallet address for you to send those coins, and I will give you the money you spent during buying the gas fee. All right, so follow this step. What you need to do, if you have already connected your wallet before from Telegram to your own OKX exchange or wallet, what you need to do is to come right here, navigate to the wallet interface. Once you navigate to the wallet interface, it's going to open for you if your own Memfi is connected already with your OKX. This is how you can do this transaction. All right, so is to copy the address I'll drop for you. Once you copy the address, then you come to send right here, click on send and tap the amount or the worth of ETH you want to send to my Lenea network, and then boom, you collect your own cash. So what am I going to do right now is for you to wait for me. Just quickly go and copy the address, then I can make the transaction real fast. So as you can see, I sent this address to my guy, to one of my guys, so that we can make the transaction. All right, so right now I'll just copy the address. If I send it to your WhatsApp, this is how we are going to do it. So if you copy the address, then you go back to the OKX Web3 wallet, right? So once you open your OKX Web3 wallet, make sure you're touching here so that it will navigate to the Web3 interface. All right, then you tap on send. So you tap on send, then you tap on the coin, then you click paste. All right, so if you have already copied the wallet, then you just paste right here. All right, so let me just paste it. So as you can see, I'll just confirm. So I'll just confirm. Let's wait. So the amount I want to put right now, the worth is just, I'll just tap on max, right? So once you tap on maximum, you see that the amount is right here. Then you tap on confirm, as simple as that. So let's go confirm. So let me use my fingerprint. So as you can see, the transaction is submitted, and later let's wait some more to verify this transaction. All right, so as you can see, successfully sent. Right now the coin is no longer here, it's showing minus 100%. So what am I going to do? I'm going to wait some more, then I'll go back to my own Bybit, because this exchange I just copied is from Bybit. I'll just go to my Bybit and check if I have received the coins. All right, so let's go. So as you can see, it's showing pending, which is about to drop on my Bybit. All right, it's about to drop. So this is people's own. I've been buying from people. All right, I've been buying all this from people. So you can also send to me using my phone number on WhatsApp. You can contact me or drop a comment in the comment section. All right, so just use my number 07025338620. Contact me on WhatsApp and sell your own gas fee, because right now that gas fee is useless. You're not going to use it because they're using Sui network right now. They're not using linear network anymore. So go and do this right now. Simple as that. Thank you.